was my intimate date with fish? It was fun. Wait, Finana, you're here. Can I talk about it? I don't know if she wants me to say. It was funny though. Yes. Okay. Well, Finana said yes. Okay, yesterday we went to a planetarium because I really wanted to go to one. So I was like, Finana, do you want to go to a planetarium with me? And she was like, oh my god, yeah. So we went to a planetarium together. And it was like a nice relaxing show and you can like lay down. And I was like, yay! I'm like watching the stars and whatnot. I'm like, we're like laying down together and we're like, oh my god, so romantic, looking up at the stars together. Yeah. It's like, it's just a bunch of stars and they're like telling us about constellations and whatnot. And I'm like laying there. So we're like laying together. And then from beside me, I hear. We were like laughing at first. We were like looking at the stars. We are like, haha, oh my gosh, so cool. And we're like laughing. And then beside me, like a little bit into it, I'm like looking up here. And I'm like, no way. I'm like laying there looking at the different like constellations they're introducing to like the viewers. And then I just hear like, and I was like, oh shit. And at first I was like, okay. But like it's so scary because like it's sometimes it's just like what is it? It's just like complete silence at points because it's like let's enjoy the stars and it's just complete silence and I'm like oh my god don't snore. But she somehow only snored when there was music playing. It was actually pretty impressive. Like I don't think she knew because she was passed out, but yeah, we were watching the stars and it'd be so dead silent and I was like, oh my god, don't snore. And then the music would start and she'd snore and I'm like, oh my god. Thank God or else everybody would know. And I was like, damn. It was so funny. But it was fine. And yeah, it was fun. But it was silly. It was fun. I learned a bunch of stuff, but I didn't think it was gonna be educational. I thought I was just gonna look at the stars. I've never been to a planetarium, so I always wanted to go to one. What I learned, and like constellations are in like a bunch of different shapes, man.
I'm running through the meadow, flowers that speak to me.